Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called RDanger. RDanger is a new ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that people store on the hard drives. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular RDanger ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so it actually encrypts the files and damages the data considerably. So the ransomware tells the victims that they supposedly need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to actually remove this horrible ransomware called RDanger with the help of reliable anti-ransomware called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and then start carefully investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode, and only this quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on the start scan button, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. And then after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is able to protect your data ahead of time with the anti-ransomware feature, which is the part of the premium license. So you can add certain folders that would always be under the protection from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data. So Combo Cleaner helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data ahead of time with the anti-ransomware feature.